my makeup and hair look familiar, it's because it's the same makeup and hair from my holiday party Get Ready With Me. I loved it so much that I decided to keep it on my face. So really quick, I wanted to talk to you guys about Olaplex. Oh. That's embarrassing. It's not focusing. I gotta learn how to do that. So I wanted to talk about Olaplex because it's something that has been coming up a lot in salons. When I was looking at a couple of YouTube videos of people, you know, lightening their hair or like with like damage and stuff, they're like, Olaplex, Olaplex, Olaplex. So I was like, let me check it out. So I Googled it and I was kind of like, this is interesting. This product is supposedly a salon only, not supposedly, it is a salon only treatment. And what they do is they'll either mix it with your color. I think it's like a 1, 2, and 3. This is the 3 is the at-home treatment, which is what I have. 1, they mix it with your color, or they leave it on your hair without color, and that's supposed to put a ton of bonds in your hair to strengthen any split ends, damaged hair. That's what that's supposed to do. You leave that on for, I think like 10 to 20 minutes at the salon. They rinse that out, then they put step 2 in there, which is supposed to strengthen it. So after you've added all those new bonds, it like locks it into the hair. I could be butchering this description, but that's essentially what happens. Locks it in, you leave that on for another 10 to 20 minutes, rinse that off, wash, condition, and style as usual. For me, I did it once without color. I did it like as just like a regular treatment at the salon. And I did notice a slight difference in the texture of my hair. It is not a deep conditioning treatment. It is like a chemical treatment. I did notice a difference on my dark, natural, you know, my natural color is a little bit softer. However, when I went in to go get it with color, I was like, all right, that's gonna be the time that like I'll really see the difference, because my hair, which I will do a hair journey story, especially when I have my natural curls, it's, you know, it's a little damaged. I don't know what to say. Like, I love, you know, and then putting the color on it, I was like, ooh, that's a lot of damage. I hope that I'm gonna be saving myself by using the Olaplex treatment. So I just did a balayage, so it wasn't like, oh, a heavy process hair situation. My stylist at Salon Benjamin did that. Painted it in with the Olaplex. I sat and then did the treatment. It was done. And I have to say, like, I would say, you know, color damage is color damage. When you are bleaching or changing the color of your hair, there's only so much that anything, any new contraption, any new item can do to mitigate that damage. I do think the Olaplex did help some. I think when they, you know, when it adds the extra bonds for the color to break down, it's then breaking down false bonds, so your hair is still intact. However, I think that no matter what, you're gonna get a little bit of damage. So I do find that the strands at the end of my hair are a little bit kind of lackluster, a little straighter, maybe a little bit frizzier, but the color is awesome, so there's a trade-off there. But in terms of Olaplex actually fixing or helping my hair, I do think it did so minimally. I use Olaplex number 3, and I use that maybe once a week. You know, I'll put it on dry hair right before I, you know, feel like washing it. Then I'll wash it out with real shampoo, not my co-wash, because because it is chemicals, I want it to actually like wash out of my hair. Then deep condition it and style it as usual. If you have just like heat damage and you're trying to not straighten it that much anymore, or you're trying to use less heat and you have minimal, you know, I do think the Olaplex would work pretty well. But if you're, you know, constantly using heat and then using the Olaplex, or constantly coloring your hair, then using the Olaplex, there's only so much it can do. So is it a miracle product? I'm not sure. Is it a helpful product? 100%. So anyway, that is my little breakdown of Olaplex. Definitely try it. Like, try it, whatever. It's not every salon has it. If you go to their website, which I'll link below, I think they have like a list of salons and stuff that use it. That's why I found the salon that I ended up going to, and subsequently got my hair colored there. But definitely look into it. If you have to try it, if you've been wanting to try it, I'd recommend trying it and see how it works for your hair texture. So yeah, that is my short little review on Olaplex.